All right, so I got my trusty gas leak detector from Kane. Green means good, there's no leak. We got gas, everything's okay. Client is happy, they got heat. Let's check the heat up here. Here is about 113 Fahrenheit, which is bless. And then from there, they're good. So another day, another warm house. Everything is safe, everything is working. Making sure that you change your filters, check your gas, get your AC ready for heating season. Get your water heater. This water heater is pretty old here. But get your water heater checked, maintained, make sure there's no leaks, everything's working.